Hey my loves, welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. Today we are doing something a little fun. We're turning into Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. I can't wait! Before we get started, make sure that you like this video, smash that subscribe button, and share this video if you care. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to start with the eyes. We're going to do a simple brown and white eye. So just like brown in our outer little corner area, then a deeper brown, and then a white on the lid. So I'm just going to go in with this medium brown right here. Now we're going to go on with the darker brown. I'm going to be using this dark brown right here from my Lollipop palette. Just putting it in that corner so I can blend it out. I'm going to take a little bit of white face paint and we're going to put that on our lid. Make sure you blended the brown in the corner in so that all your eyeshadow blends together. You're going to take a clean brush and go in with a white. Put that right on top of that white. Put that right on top of that white face paint. Alright, we're going to go back into that white face paint and we're going to put it underneath our eyes too. Alright, now that you have white under both of your eyes, we're going to put white on our nose. Alright, now that our nose is done and our eyes are done, we're going to go back in with that original flat side that we put brown on, and we're going to just put brown underneath where we made that white line. Just a thin line of brown. Okay, now that that's done, it's time for eyeliner. For the eyeliner, we're going to line our eyes like normal with our normal wing, and then we're going to go down, all the way down to the inner corner of our eye. Your eyes should look something like this. We did a line on the underline underneath the white pointing down. Go in with a little bit of white face paint. Make sure you have white face paint all in that corner. In case some of it got erased, it should look something like this. Now add some mascara. Alright, we're going to leave our eyes alone for a bit and we're going to do our neck. We're going to put a bow on our neck. So with the bow on our neck, we're going to take a light colored pencil. It could be a light makeup pencil that matches, it's a couple shades lighter than your skin tone, like a concealer pencil, or you use a white pencil. Anything that's going to be easy to erase on your skin tone. And we're just going to draw a line for the bottom, a line for the top, the bow, and then a little bell in the middle because I want mine to have a bell. Okay, now we have our bow all outlined. Now we're going to do the rest of our face. So we're going to take some bronzer, a dark bronzer. I'm going to use the one in it's my Raye Raye palette. And you're going to put it around your head. Then you take a normal bronzer and you blend it out. Now that our face is bronzed, we're going to do our nose. We're going to go into my Lollipop palette and take this really, really, really red eyeshadow and do our nose. Okay, now that our nose is nice and red, it's time to do the black outlines. Take an eyeliner pencil with, a liner pen with a brush. And we're just gonna lightly outline our nose. Alright, for our top lip, it's gonna be a black lip, so I'm going to take a black eyeliner pencil, and I'm gonna outline my lips. I use some Forever Matte Liquid Black Lipstick and fill it in. Gonna take the color Bikini Bottom, my favorite nude, and put it on my bottom lip. Alright, we look really, really good. Now we're gonna add our white dots to our face. Now we have big dots. I'm going to go in with a white eyeliner pen and I'm going to go in and do little dots. Now we're gonna go highlight our face and then we're gonna finish our bow. Alright, our face is done. After I put on lashes, we will be all set, but I'm gonna do my bow first. We're gonna go in with a light red and we're gonna just color the body of our bow. Alright, go in with a darker red and do the inside of the bow. Go into gold with another brush so that we can do our bell. Don't forget the bottom strands of your bow. Alright, so now that our bow is all colored in, we're going to outline it with black eyeliner. Just like we did our nose. Go slowly and carefully so that you don't make a lot of mistakes. And add some highlights with the white. Now it's time for lashes and hair and wig. I think we look amazing. So my entire antlers, they came from Dollar Tree. I made this from Dollar Tree with just a hair clip and some glue. I used it in my Yula. I really like how this look turned out. Make sure you stay tuned and subscribe so that you don't miss the rest of Vlogmas. On Vlogmas Day 10, we are talking all about skincare. My skincare routine has been highly requested, so I'm going to share you guys some of my favorite winter skincare products, or just honestly skincare products that I love in general that help my skin stay glowing, beautiful, and healthy through all the face paint and all the makeup that it goes through. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye!